Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I thought I would talk a little bit about the memory maker. I've had a lot of questions about it lately. What is it? Is it worth it? So stay tuned and I will fill you all in about the memory maker. I'm going to be giving you a slideshow of some of my favorite memory maker pictures. Some of them are a little silly. So what the memory maker is essentially is pictures, all of your digital images. You can, anytime you see a photographer in the Walt Disney World Park, whether it's at the Magic Kingdom or in Disney Springs, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, they will be all over. The photographers in Walt Disney World are called PhotoPass photographers. So anytime you see a photographer, they can take your family picture, get everyone in the shot, and they will scan your magic band. It will automatically, sometimes it takes a few minutes, but it will automatically link to your My Disney Experience account. You can download it, post it on Facebook if you want, share it with grandma, make your Christmas card picture out of it. That image is yours with the memory maker. The memory maker currently costs $169 if you purchase it prior to your visit. And it has to be done at least 3 days before arrival. If you get there and you decide, yeah, this is what I really want to do this, look at all these photographers and great ride pictures, it's now going to be $199. It's something I encourage people to get. I personally love photographs, so it's definitely something we get pretty much every time we go. So you will get ride photos, and sometimes you get a little ride video. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train Tower Terror has cute little ride videos. Splash Mountain has a photo. Pirates has a photo. Frozen Ride has a photo. Test Track has a photo. And some of the rides, when you get off the ride, you'll see all the digital images up on the wall. Like when you get off Everest at Animal Kingdom, you find your picture, you scan your band, give it a few minutes, and it will end up in your account. Now, think about special events. If you're there for the Halloween party, you could get I love these pictures I'm showing you right now. The one of the Headless Horseman, it took a good 24 hours to show up. This is what we call a magic shot. It's like my ultimate. And then the one of my entire family at the Halloween party, and how fun they put in the ghost for us too. Another magic shot with the pumpkins. Just absolutely love those. And I'll put some images through of our agent trip, which is great. So I can download them. I can share them with my friends, my Mickey Travels friends. It's worth the investment. You're spending all this money on your vacation. I say the $169 is worth it because you will get, if you really take advantage of it, you can get a ton of pictures. There are photographers in all 4 theme parks, and anytime you see one, they will take your photo, and always ask them. There is a list of magic shots. But magic shots are always changing and evolving, and like I mentioned, for the Halloween party, they have separate ones than they would for a regular day at the Magic Kingdom. So always ask for those magic shots. I think it's great. You can get your whole family in the picture. Yes, they will take a picture with your camera if you ask, but there was something nice about they all go into your account. You can download them all, you can share them, you can make photo books. So worth it. Do you guys get the memory maker? Let me know in the comments below. Have you gotten it before? Not? Regret it? I don't know. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys soon.